Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission if you were to make a purchase. And while we're on that note, we are almost done with this book, and we will next move on to the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. So if you want to solve along with me, that will give you a little bit of time to get that book ordered and in your hands before we get started on it. All right, so today we're doing number 309. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this top row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 8. There's a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 9. 9 here, so 1, 2, and same here, 1, 2. That means the only place our 9 can be in that box is here. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, a 3 here, so 2, 6, and no help here, 2, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. That 2 makes this our 3. Then we can get rid of this 3. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. And that 6 makes this our 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 5. 4 here, so 2, 5, and no help here, 2, 4, 5. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 2 and 5 here and a 3 here. So this is our 4. 3 here and the 5 here, so this is our 2. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. This 5 makes this our 4. We can get rid of this 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 2 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.